Yo, hello, mic test. Welcome to this first ever New York session stream. New York game session, my bad. I've streamed before. But hello, welcome everybody. Let me know if background voice is alright. Is it too much? Let me know that as well if it's too much. It's alright. Alright, guys. Let me set everything up for me. This will be 1 minute and this will be 3. भाई आज 5 टीवी चाहिए. Of course. I need 20. All right. We are all set. Those are just 50-minute FPG. Let me just create some confusion. ES is going down smoothly. Let's see how we open up. What's up, Jason? Let's open. Yeah, I think we are going towards that low. Let me just give 5 minutes here for you guys so you can see it properly, and 3 minutes here. You don't need to look at 3 minutes at all. This is the low, this is the high that I'm looking at. 0 trades today. Zero trades. No trades yet. Had a great opening. I think that was what? Not so great. It's alright, but yeah. We can work with that. Let's hope that it takes out those lows that I want it to. I'll do my best. Subham bhai, I will do my best. It took out this internal low, if you see, right? Then if I see any kind of inversion or some kind of shit from here, it doesn't. Plus we have a gap, right? 1 hour FPG. No need for it. My bad. Sorry, guys. This can be potential trade, but I don't want to take it this early, while we are at the lows. Yeah, this is the exact thing that I was telling. I don't want to take it just because it can go back into that range again before coming back down. Suspiciously, it left that low, which I don't like. Hello, Riva. Welcome to the stream. Any news? Guys, any news? Yes, Raghav, I do. I stay up late. Hello, Anu. Welcome to the stream. No news today. Hello, sirs. Welcome to the stream. We are chopping now. This is the exact thing I did not want. Let's see how we react of that 3-minute FPG. If you can see on your chart, you won't be able to see on mine. But yeah, there you go. I just move, just waiting for that to tap 76. I did only Nasdaq. If you have a strategy which works, Rex, go for higher to reward ratio. You know, in terms of that, you are risking more on a trade, not like $200 something like that on 50k account. If you are trading 50k account and you know that your strategy works, then you should risk a little bit heavy. Wow, especially we did not tap that FPG. Wow, 3-minute FPG. If we don't take out that low and this block gets created, I think I'm loving that. Yeah, that's a close potential trade can be there. I'm loving that. Let's see if it plays out. 52 hour need a reaction. Let's push down. Taking out that low would be nice. And play. Alright, for me that push was break even and TP nice, clean trade. Coming off that at 10 points. Where can I see? And we took out that low as well. That was a clean trade. I'm trading few evals with Phidias firm, which is like 90% off, $16 k eval hai. So I'm risking more on them. If I can just $400 off on each account. Took it with 2 minis, 10 points, $400. Yeah, that was a great trade. I'm gonna risk little bit more onto this. So if you are trading PS, be careful with that. If you are trading evals, you can go for it. And also I need to make like 4k on these evals to pass them, unlike other firms where I need to make only 3k. So as soon as I have buffer about $2,000-3,000, I'm gonna risk it even more. Keep going, risking it until. Let me find out if I can show you all 3 accounts. Sorry, should be something here. Good evening people, welcome to the stream. Yeah, account performance. Can I see all of them please? Oh, you're from July mentorship. Wow. Old student of mine. Great. Now we are dumping, like as you can see. It's fucking going straight down till here. You can risk $500 per trade, Rex. That's what I would do. Like I risk more than that in a trade. So I'm just looking at where can I find all three accounts PNL all together. Yeah, fuck it. I mean, you guys can believe me. I'm 400. 4 hour FPG about to get flipped. True that. We can start going down towards that gap. That was the main goal of the week. Still not. It's still there. Monday open gap. But that's a bigger picture. I just want my 10 points and be out of the game. First one was quick. I think in first 9 minutes I found one good trade. Looking for one more and be done. I take 2 lots on a trade, risking $1,400. So if I'm wrong, I will have only one more trade to go. Like I risk a lot on eval because it doesn't make sense for me to go slow on evals. As you can see, like we totally grind through to the upside before New York session, and just hour before New York session we started dumping, and now we are just continuing the momentum to the downside, feeling this FVG. I usually take 2. If I like the trade too much, I'll take 3 minis. So yeah, because I can afford evals, right? If I blow one eval, I can just buy new one right away. So yeah, it depends on you how much confidence you have. Yeah, I know that, Sangsi. It is what it is. Even before I used to do the same. When I was unprofitable, I knew for the fact where I need to go fast on evals, where I'm not getting paid. I don't need to go slow. Even if I blow 1-2 in the process, it's all fine, because that's what firms want, right? What firms want is कि तुम slow जाओ evals पे. uh, once in a while you will go on a tilt, and जहाँ पे तुम account blow कर दोगे. That's all they want, right? They want you to play game by the rules and keep blowing evals after evals after evals. Right way to pass accounts are going all in with the trades you like them. I mean, you find out the most, okay, that trade. I love that trade. That is A plus model. I know for sure that 90% of the time that trade is gonna work, and you risk it all in that trade. That's how you should pass the evals, in my opinion. Your opinion can be different. Even if you go slow, if you feel like okay, you are saving money by going slow, you are actually not saving shit, right? You're gonna end up blowing accounts slowly. Slow that. I want to pull back, even if, let's say, if we start to get pullback. Yeah, which pumps are you? I'm trading with Phidias pump. You should. Because Sanksi, I'm not getting paid, right? If I'm making money, the $1,200 I made just right now in that trade, I'm not gonna get paid for that. This is just eval, and it's only $16 eval. If you want Phidias, search Phidias Profirm. They are like with the code Halloween. I think they are off 90%, $16 eval. The total investment is $48 only. I don't care about $48, right? I care about me having those PAs right away as soon as possible. So yeah, we are tapping that 3-minute FPG. If you see here, like right here, 3-minute FPG. And if you wanna go slow, go with 1 mini. It's gonna take 2 or 3 weeks of time to pass a eval, but that is what it is. But they don't have trader. Yeah, they don't have. I'm trading on Quant Tower. Look at this. This is a bit hard to set up, but yeah. 3 minute got tapped. I think I would love that 3-minute FP. I mean, if I see anything Paris block from here, I think I'll take that. I don't want more and more confirmation, especially on evals. Philips, acha. Phidias. Phidias. Let me tell you. So there you go. Phidias Profirm. Right. I don't know why it's not opening, but yeah. Copy that URL, you will find it. There is activation fee. There is activation fee 149. If I want to pass in a eval in a week, what to do? Risk more. That's all you can do. Find out. Don't take all the trades, but find out the trades you like the most and risk a little bit more. $1,000. You know, make $1,500. Or if you are trading with negative RR, go with 2-3 minis. No way, Philips said. Philips. Yeah, Philips से पंखे अच्छे आते हैं. Fans, if you want that. Those are a great investment. With negative I trade with 2-3 minis. That's what I do. Especially. You know, I don't like to go slow at all. Let's see if this 3-minute gets here, right here. Sorry, right here. Get formed or not. Yeah, I rhythmic Quant Tower. I'm using Quant Tower. It's just I'm having hard time with the market right now, so I just want to go back on the evals, try out my luck as much as possible. If this 3-minute gets created, then that is what I'm trying to trade on, take a trade on. Yeah, it is there now. Let's see if it's like strong push, then I'm gonna get cooked. Come on. That is for me like now break even point. I don't want market to come back down to that block again. And TP, nice, clean. Got 2 TPs straight back to back. I'm already done with the market in 22 minutes. So how much you invest in a month on our accounts? I invest a lot, Sanket. You should not ask that question to a profitable trader and compare to yourself. But yeah, I invest, it differs to like bad month like this, right? I'm having a very bad month this month, right? I have invested more than $8,000 because I don't slow down at all. So you are around up 800. Let me show you guys. How do I show you like proper way, like all three accounts? If I can, it's very, this form is very new to me, guys. So even I'm sorry, this not firm, this broker is new to me. Yeah, see, I'm up around $800 with the everything cut. I'm around $782, as you can see. Let me make it bigger for you. Nah, it's getting worse. $800 on all three accounts. Copy trading 3 accounts right now. So yeah, it's very hard to not trade bad trades, to not take bad trades in negative era, because you are always getting that each, that 10 points ही है, 10 points तो मिल ही जाएंगे, क्या ही है, वही चीज है. 800 up in 2 trades. I took it live, like I took this one and this one, called them out as well. 2 trades, whatever you can see on my screen. Yeah, exactly. You need proper model to be profitable. You don't say that okay 10 point इधर से तो मिल ही जाएंगे, not like that. Can I request? Yes, you can. Can I request $500 after making 200 in first payout? Yes, you can, Gulshan. You can definitely. Is this eval? Yes, these are evals. I'm copy trading multiple evals right now. Because Phidias is a great firm, as in where you make $2,600 and you withdraw $2,000. We are not affiliated with them. I'm just testing them out. So if they give payout to me, I'm gonna start promoting them. That's how we test out the firms, right? And I have not contacted them about anything, so they don't know that I'm a small, even if it's a small influencer, I'm something, right? Two to three accounts, Rajvinder, not much. Yes, I have, of course, Parth Bhai. It is not available right now. Parth, mentorship is not available right now. We'll relaunch it, don't worry. Yes, people, you can definitely, you can try that on your evals. Now, I don't want to go short just because this low is swept, as you can see, right? Even if it forms this 3-minute block, I don't want to short it at all. This low is swept. So yeah. Yeah, guys. So yeah. Quick session. I'm gonna keep trading evals because these are evals. I don't care, right? I'm gonna find out good trades, and these are 1 day pass evals. So if I can make like $2,000, $2,500, I can pass them on Monday. So yeah, that's what I'm hoping for. And even if I blow them, it's like $48. I don't care. How much you risk in these 2 trades? I risked more than $1,400. Just take $1,400 in each trade. I called it out, Subham bhai. What are you doing? No, I do not, people bhai. People, I do not look at diversion. Yeah. ES is there on my chart just to look at direction, if there is any difference between 2 indices or not. But yeah, I usually do not look at it. Market is a bit weird right now. If you even look at 1 minute chart, it's a bit weird. How much risk you take on per trade in PA? I take $700 risk, and if it's 50K, I take $700. So I have 3 trades before I blow account. But with negative error, I'm not wrong most of the time. So yeah. I am currently in a losing streak in my PAs, but I don't think too much. Okay, sometimes तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये सब चीज़ें आएगी इधर उधर के आई शुड चेंज माई स्ट्रेटेजी आई शुड डू दिस आई शुड लुक एट ओके दैट गाय इज विनिंग आई शुड टेक हिज स्ट्रेटेजी but I do think those things, but in the end I come back to my strategy. I improve on few stuff here and there, change, make few tweaks, and I think it always works out in the end. It's always better to stick to your old strategy than finding out new one, because you already have experience with your old strategy. It may not be working right now, but you know that with the experience you can get better on that strategy. I don't change my strategy a lot. Set TP $200 with 2 contracts. I took $400 on each trade. So with 2 trades I am up for $800. How much year of I don't back test at all, Virubai. I have experience with Thank since last 3 years. So that is my back testing. So yeah. I come live. I mean, I try to come. I came live 3 days this month, right? So if you wanted to learn, you could have learned from there. If you want paid stuff, go in our Discord. We will come out with the strategy. I mean, mentorship soon enough. New one. But why that? It is not valid because we are trading at the lows. Plus, I would want higher time frame blocks, which there is. Like this 3 minute block is there, it can work out, but it's just that this candle has swept the low, so it can go in deeper. No problem, Sanket, anytime. I try my best to help out. It's just that the previous candle was swept, right? It can be a liquidity grab and then retracement. I trade in 1, 3, 5 minute, all 3 time frames. We are chopping right now. Yes, in the starting it is very, I mean, I don't journal right now, but in the starting it is important to journal because you don't know what you are doing wrong or right at in that moment, right? So journaling is for the reviewing, right? That once you are calmed down from the win or loss, you can go back and review that what you did wrong, what you did right. You can actually find out stuff. I love 1 minute. Not gonna lie, 1 minute and 3 minute are there top. Let's see if we can pass this eval. Oh, you cannot see PNL, right? So let's see if we can pass this eval. If I pass them right now, I can start. I mean, today I can start trading them on Monday. But again, I'm 1/4 only there. I'll have to start risking more to pass them today. But I'm no. I mean, no rush. If I can make $2,000 on this eval today, it will be very good. For $2,000, I need 2 trades more, 3 trades more. Hopefully, let's see. Let me find out how my one-on-one students are doing. Let's go with them. Yo, we are on stream. We are on stream. How you are guys doing?
देख
Fine?
रहे हैं भाई यस
I'm break even, but I think बाकी सब मेरे कारण थोड़े से loss में होंगे. But मैं break even.
I am $175 profit because I took a profit in London session.
Oh,
Nice,
लेट्स गो
nice.
लेट्स
Yes.
गो
WW. All right.
घर आजा,
Continue.
घर आजा.
I'm gonna be back soon. I'm
Ah,
gonna be. I'm just looking at my confidence, trying evals
yeah.
here and there. I took 2 wins already, so yeah, that was good.
ठीक है. हाँ, तो ले लिया.
Yeah.
ले लिया. ठीक, good.
That's a plan. God's plan. That's a plan. That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying my best, but I'm having tough time. By give. क्या करूँ भाई? मार्केट है थोड़ा गिफ्ट सॉफ्ट तो इधर से बाय करके दे दूँ तुझे. You should have paid attention. I cannot show my broker up here, otherwise I'll get banned. Do not take this, guys. I'm just testing. Wait for it for my phone. With 23 point SL, I think we can try this on evals. Actually, I'm gonna try that. Put my orders there. I've never goat funded futures. See, if you see, there is a levels to funded accounts, right? Where if you see top of the top trader influencer in the industry on the Twitter space, they trade with few firms, right? I never heard goat funded futures name there, so I don't. Plus, I have heard lots of stuff about them. Trade with the reputed firms, right? Don't try to do fishy stuff. Wow, that should have been the move. 82. Giving it 35. Let's see. SL is at 124. Somewhere around here. Yeah, I don't know how they operate. I don't know anything about them. It is pumping very hard. Let's see if it squeeze or it squeezes us. Sometime you take 35, sometime less. Yes, that is. I look at the trade. If it should just go right away, it should right. Then I don't give more SL. Otherwise, right now it's fucking spending a lot of time there. I don't like that at all. Wait, just I don't try to move my SL or TP too much. Most likely it's gonna take us out. Plus it went what? 89 to 82. If it just had spent a little bit more time in there, like 82 around, I would have breaked even. It was just too quick to break it even. Plus these evals are like trailing one. I may get fucked very soon. Yeah, if it reacts from that 1 minute block that you see on your chart, then we're gonna be done. If it just dump through it, I would love to stay in this trade. It feels very hard right now. Okay, I'm trailing my SL to the high which it made. This is very aggressive, but yeah, that's what I did not want. Right away, punk back. If it takes out, I think I'm gonna be almost down 200, 300 point. Sorry, 200, $300. Let me find out if I can find out anything. Ah, 3 minutes has started to go down. Can we do it? $117. Yeah. Who is connecting? My Mac is connecting again and again. If it goes below that low, I'm gonna trail to the other high which it made 116.25. Now it should just dump through. Like, can it? Okay, shows me some green and now back into red. Come on, dump. Nah, it just doesn't want to do it. I'm thinking of it trailing it to 106. Let's see. I have not trailed yet. I'm just thinking of it. if it doesn't want to push down. One more sweep low of 86 and I will trail. This doesn't want to dump for no reason. It's very weak, I can see that. Yeah, it's pumping now. Nice, go take out that low and then I'll trail to 109. Go take out that low, please. Reduce my SL. Reduce me here. I remember that. Nah, I just second, third, fourth time went to my break even point. Just doesn't want to stay in green. Volume is coming in. Okay, there is no point giving it more than 112. So I'm just gonna trail to 112 now. So I can be at least be break even on this eval, even if it takes out. Should just dump. Very much like bearish momentum. I'll break even once it touches 82s or something. Alright, 82, give me 82. Little bit more. Alright, break even, that's it, and that's a TP. Nice, clean. Clean. By that was a sweaty ass fucking trade. So much drawdown. Where is it? Up $1,200. Ah, that was fucking like insane long trade. $1,200 up on the evals. Sorry if I'm looking at this side, I'm looking at my broker to trail SL and to do stuff that I'm saying it while trading it. It is very tough, guys. So yeah, voice here and out ho sakti hai, but yeah, that's all I wanted, that it come back to this middle point of that point. Yes, I am Camcho. Clean $1,200. I'm up around $3,600 on all the evals, but it's eval money. I'm not gonna get paid for that. Nothing matters until I get to that payouts. Alright, 3 trades till now. One we took short, second and 3. All of them were short. So our bias was like 3 bearish. Our bias was bearish. It happens, Karthik bhai, if you are new, very new into the market, it happens that you're gonna blow a few evals here and there. Consistency takes time. On internet influencer from India, don't see it. It takes a lot of time. You're gonna blow some evals. Even if you're at break even, kudos to you. It takes time. But understand, look at this business as a sorry, look at this thing as a business, you know, business perspective, that if you are investing $200 and it happens, we move on, take another eval, pass it, try to get to the payout. That's all we can do, right? Tips and tricks they do. Yeah, they have like 40% consistency. Koi na, come back Monday. For gold, you will have to find your own SL spirit by. I think, I mean, look at where gold reacts most of the time. With NQ, I have experience, so I know that I never traded gold that much. Once in a while, yes, I trade gold, but with NQ, I have 3 years of, so 3 years of experience. So I just know that 35 point SL is enough for NQ. So yeah. With NQ, it has been working out great since March, April. Middle of the year was pretty great. Yeah. So guys, if you have any question, let me know in the chat. I'll be back in 2 minutes. I gotta go have. I think I'm gonna go get Red Bull. The string gonna be long. You know, I think it's chopping around. So I will be back in 2 minutes. Yes. I'm back, guys. Negative RR कितना time लगा था profitable में? I was profitable before negative RR, so it did not take a lot time to me profitable in positive RR as well. So it's like 1.5 month. I've tested it, forward tested it. Looking at this 3 minute, I don't hate that trade, you know. I'm not taking it yet. I will call it out when I do. But I don't hate that trade for me. Don't get greedy, then that's the only. I think you will find yourself getting greedy or getting cocky once you start winning, because winning is too easy with the negative RR. So yeah, stay humble and try to trade your own setup. I'm gonna take this 1 minute, guys, quickly. And this 1 minute. If it just pops right back into anything, I'll take my SL. It's fine. It can just take me out, but I'm just want to pass this if I'll get out of my way. Get it out of my way. 3 minute did not form. There was one risk there. Yeah, it's not reacting the way I wanted it to react. This can be the first SL. I'm staying in. If it's pop from here, I think it's gonna be tough. Yeah, I think it wants to pop. I have my finger on my trigger. If I don't like it, I'm just gonna kill it straight away. It just popped right back there, right? That's what I did not. And it is inversing this 1 minute as well. Should have waited for the 3 minute close. That was silly of me. But let's see if this high can defend it itself. It doesn't look like it's gonna do it. I think that it's gonna pop that high. Any kind of retracement will be my exit into 91. If it pulls back into 91 and gives me reaction to the upside, I think I'm gonna just exit. But if it's a heavy pullback, then it can be a just doesn't want to do it this time. This time I'm not gonna get lucky. Market is saying that. I just want to see how it reacts on that high. Does it take it out or is gonna respect and dump? And I don't wanna regret if it does it. So it's fine if I give like 5-10 points more to this trade. So far, not a good sign. Respecting, it's not dumping straight away like it did in this previous trade. I'm just hoping that it doesn't react off this FEG. If it comes back down there, it doesn't want to do it. I can see that. It usually doesn't show this much of a. I can kill this trade right now and be up like $600 on these evals. But to me, what matters is like after that, if it goes in my favor, I'm gonna go on tilt and blow accounts. It's way better that I hold this trade and find out what happens. To me, it's way better. And I think it's chopping at that. Should just dump right away. Dump should be like in next 1 to 2 minutes into that FPG. And now yeah, it is respecting that. If it pops that high, then I think we are cooked. Nah, candles are just opening very bullish every time. I can see it on very low time frame that it just doesn't want to go down. It wants to pop. Market wants to take me out there. Wow. It is surprising that my SL did not. If it I know it's gonna go back and take me out. But if it doesn't take me out, this will be legendary. I know that it's gonna go there. Can it dump? Please go dump. Nah. I think I'm. Yeah, I think it's cooked. Yeah. It got cooked. $400 down here. And that is the main point of being trading negative RR. But if you try to find more trades than 2, it's gonna fuck you. Like it did right now. How much DD I got left on this evals, or should I? I don't know how much I have left, but I'm gonna keep trading. That was a pretty bad judgment. This was, I should have waited for it to create 3 minutes. Got greedy there, 1 minute. Fucked. Also be there, Karthik, if you want to trade with them. Tradify is there. Every other firm than Apex is EOD. Oh, 5 minutes is closing. If it closed, then I think I'm gonna look at longs now because structure is shifting to the upside now. You know, every other firm than Apex. That's what I said, Thomas. I know Apex is not EOD. I have made shitload of money with them. Every other firm. Let's see if it wants to go up. Let's see if we can find longs. Now I'll have to go with one. One minute should have reacted. Five-minute did close. But is it a reversal or is it just a retracement? Plus market is pretty slow right now. This is like 2 minutes, right? I just want to pull back. If it pulls back and gives me a block to the upside, I'll take those. Or if you are desperate, you can just go for right away this one. I do not have much TD left there, so I'm gonna be very careful. Let's take trade with. Looks very interesting to me. Lucid? I took new Tradifies and those are on drawdown right now. In drawdown. I do not try to do any fancy stuff. I just, if those are evals, let's say if I was trading PAs today, I would have been done. Ended days on green. 2 trades is all I take on PAs. I took 3 wins, right? It's just that these are evals, that's why I'm trying to pass them in one go. I don't care. If I fail them, I'll just buy new one for the PM session. I don't want to waste time on evals. Zamir, that's a good point. But I don't know how to trade gold, so $16 का आ रहा है Phidias with the discount code Halloween. They are dirt cheap, guys. They are dirt cheap. You should cope them. Yeah, true. PM session are pretty good nowadays. Looks like we are now, like it is very strong bullishness in the market. Slowly grind to the upside. Let's see. Oh. On the slow grind, I think it's very hard to find trades here. Blocks are there, but retracement can kill you. I just want the fast markets. It got slowed here. We are into ES 15-minute FVG now, bearish FVG. I want it to just reprice. If it reprice, then we can find entries to the long. Activation is not discounted at all in Phidias. It's just that evals are cheap activation is still same. I think $149 or something. It's still same. Yeah. Can it just give me setup so I can take trades and get it done with? I don't want to be trading evals for this long. The best evals to go for is like TPT. If you put two cons on 25k accounts and take the same trades that I take, two trades, you need 2 good days to pass them and 2 good days to reach to get to the buffer, and then you can take daily payouts with them. Like they are $90 25k accounts with the code Vedic, of course. So plus every firm is on the discount right now just because of the Halloween going on right now. You may want to take advantage. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna load the shit out of Phidias. Even if I can only have 5 accounts, I'm gonna take more than 10 to 12 accounts, you know. If I even blow 1 to 2, it's fine. Plus their recurring payment is also $16. So recurring, like if I fail them right now, I can just try another time next month, every month until I pass them for $16. Same goes for the TPT and everything, every firm out there. No pullback for NQ, sad. I'm just gonna grind the shit out of this thing now. If it doesn't give setup, we just want to keep reaping then. Best account, try to go for end of the day trailing drawdown, and I think funding takes is a good one where you only have to make $2,500 plus funded next is good. $2,500, $2,500 drawdown, $2,500 you need to make, like, so it's like one gem one only. So yeah, those are good farms to use end of the day. Try to find everything in your favor, that okay, your trading style which suits you the best. Apex is also dirt cheap. If you connect your broker, it won't be delayed, Rajendra. I think you are doing something wrong. If you have funding ticks account, your chart should not be delayed at all. If you connect, as soon as you connect your TradingView account to your TradingView, it is always live. They are not delayed. Let's pump market from here. Let me recover some money. It is just stuck there. Let's go Sam YW. Yeah, if you find your footing around the market, it will be very best and copy somebody. Market are just stuck. Range is good to scalp here and there. That's what I'm trying to do with the evals. Scalping here and there. Thank you for the subscription. Possible DOL can be now that we have displaced to the upper side, right? I mean, it can just pull back into this FPGs and then we can start going up, that high. That can be a DOL. But it's just not showing me any intent towards anything right now. I can just scalp the range right now. That's all I can do. Of course, it can blow accounts as well. Nice. Took this shot, it did work out. What's the possibility? Rejection from Asia 50%? Yeah, very well can be. I just want to see how we react once we reach like 50% of this range. Can we, I mean, are we going up or start going back down? That's the point. I'm already, you guys will be confused even if I show this to you, how I'm trading. It's way better you stick to your. Plus, I'm not here to give you trades or prove you anything, guys. I'm just here to trade on my own, create a space where you guys can come in, ask few questions, we can chill out and trade on your own. Right? This is not the place where you should look for the trades, copy trade. Just chill out, take your own trade, listen to background music, and then do whatever you want to do with the information we share to each other. Real chopping, I can just try. Wow. See, I came late. I took 4 trades and then I'm scalping right now. Sorry about that. Maybe subscribe to the channel and icon. वो क्या होता है? I think there is a way you can find out like where you get the notification if I go live. Just turn on that button. I'm scalping hard right now. Crazy. I scalped the market through this, like, I don't know if it's even a range 20, and now the bell icon, yeah, that. This is very risky thing to do what I'm doing right now. But it's eval. I don't fucking care what I do. $48 at the risk. If I can pass these evals today, that would be great. Can we just like do that? बहुत बढ़िया भटूरा भाई, आप बताओ. Yeah, I took this block and this block, this block. Now I'm trying to long on every pullback. With that very tight SLs, right? I'm not trying to play YOLO. Once I get back to where I was initially, it would be nice. My bad, future. It's just that I have different timing with one-on-one students, so it sometimes gets busy. So I don't come live here. I'm already back at $1,300. If I find very good setups, I'll point it out. But the shit I'm doing on eval is like fucking crazy. Can we not go down and go up? I have risked good enough amount of money. I think this year, let's say 20% of my payouts are into the expense. So yeah. But I think easily it will be around 40k, more than 20% to be honest. 40k, let's just say that. And year is not ended yet, so yeah. And To let you know, I had like one of the worst month of my career this August. So that took a lot of money, most of the money, and then this month also was bad. Plus, I have invested a hell lot of money into 150k straight to funded accounts, where even to max out one firm it takes more than $2,500. So yeah, it's very choppy right now. I'm loving this shop. I'm just taking trades here and there. Wow, the range is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. It's crazy. It's even getting harder to even. Yeah, we try to show everything to one-on-one students. Everything what we are doing. I'll sort it here with the tight SLES. Looks promising to me as well. It's gonna either pop to the upside or it's gonna like get into that retracement. Beautiful, huge W. Wow, it filled me on half of the contract and did not fill me on other half. That is crazy. Guys, I'll have to go. I'll update the post about these evals. Just got the call. Come on. Is these are end of the day or what? Okay, I'll wait it out for 10 more minutes and see what happens. This is I was talking about. Either it's gonna pop the upside or it's gonna come back down. Now it has popped to the upside. It has taken out that high. What the fuck is this on my? That's okay. Now the real move can come where it goes down. But yeah, it can be this retracement. Let's see it goes down now. I've sold it on that pop. If it pulls back, I think I'm gonna get out on break even. Like it 61. Just not doing it. What is happening to screen? There you go. Come on, do something. It feels like I would like to take this block, but again, it's just that it is tapped one more time and it can retrace little bit more. Watch out for this block, guys. If it gets tapped, can be the good entry. I am flat on those accounts, $1,700 up. Let's see, I'm gonna push it to the death. Okay, either I'm gonna pass them today, at least close to the passing, like $2,500, $3,000, whatever drawdown they give. I'm gonna get to that point. Otherwise, there is no point, right? Because my end of the day, it's trailing accounts anyways, so it's gonna reset anyways. So yeah, all right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. There was on screen there was like 4 trades, 3 wins, 1 SL. So mostly like 5 point down. Yeah, but it is what it is. I have scalped back myself into $1,700 profit again. But I think I feel like going all in one trade and get it done with. Let's see what happens. Watch out for this 3-minute block. I'll see you guys. Other than that, 2-hour stream was good. I'll try to come back tomorrow, not tomorrow, on Monday as well. Alright. See ya.